a quiet shore of sand, 3 lives share a single land. Waves surround their fragile space, holding them in close embrace. Every breath the ocean sighs shows the truth they can't disguise. Here their hearts have room to see what it means to simply be. This is where the lines grow thin, where the tides pull out and in, learning how to stand as one underneath the same warm sun. Every hope and every fear feels more vivid, feels more near. In this small and gentle place, they must live with honest grace. With no room to turn away, all their shadows start to play. Dreams and doubts begin to rise, showing depth behind their eyes. Yet they learn through calm and storm how connection shifts and forms, finding balance in the tide, holding peace where hearts collide. This is where the lines grow thin, where the tides pull out and in, learning how to stand as one underneath the same warm sun. Every hope and every fear feels more vivid,